Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's raining bananas today. Do you have varied bananas and you're thinking of throwing them away? Or you just crave a not so regular cake? Come along, let me show you what to do. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite recipe, a super moist banana loaf cake. The first thing you do in making a moist banana cake is to mash your bananas and set aside. So these are bananas. Two medium-sized banana is enough for the recipe. So I'm just going to mash this banana and set aside. Always remember to make your ingredients be at room temperature. Properly mashed. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. This is your white vinegar. 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Make sure the banana doesn't change its color, because leaving banana out open like this, it easily changes its color to brown. So you just add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar so it doesn't change its color. Then you set this aside. Okay, so we go into our baking proper. First is our butter. So we add our sugar, our water. This is a 1/4 cup of water. Then we are going to melt all this on a low heat. For this recipe, we are not creaming, we are not whipping any egg white or egg yolk, but we are going to be melting this. And the reason why we melt our butter and sugar with a little water is to get all this dissolved, because for this particular recipe, this is what this particular recipe calls for. So this is a way of dissolving this. You can use a microwave to melt it, or you can use a stove top. I'm taking it to my stove top to melt it. I'll be right back. Okay, so now we are done melting our butter, our sugar, and a little water. So into this mixture, we are going to add our mashed banana. And you mix properly. Now I'm going to switch to my whisk. Then I'm going to add my flavor. I'll be using banana flavor, but you can use vanilla flavor if you want. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of banana flavor. Okay, so I'm also going to be adding browning. This is optional. You can leave it out if you don't have. I just like the flavor and the color it gives to the cake, so I'm going to be adding browning. But like I said, it's optional. You can leave it out. So I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons. I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of browning. mix properly. That's a good mix. So this is what browning does to the cake, just changes the color and also have a nice flavor. So to this, I'm going to be adding my egg. I'm using 1 egg for this recipe. Before adding the egg, I'll just try to break the egg molecules down, breaking the egg molecules down so that it will mix properly. Then adding my 1 egg. Then you mix properly. And of course our milk is not left out. 1/4 cup of milk. Here's our flour. This is a 1.5 cup of flour. And in this bowl we have our baking powder, our salt, and I added grounded cinnamon. Cinnamon add flavor to your cake, very nice flavor, so that's why I added it. And I like adding cinnamon to my banana cake. You can add mixed fruits if you want, so it's just your choice. You can also add nuts, almonds, nuts, but I'm just going to add cinnamon to mine. It adds flavor to your cake. Okay, so now mix properly. Okay, so this is the consistency we want. Yes, we are done. So my loaf pan is already greased with vegetable oil. So grease your loaf pan with vegetable oil and put in your batter. You can also use your regular pan to bake this, but it's a loaf cake, so I'm using a loaf pan. So this is our loaf cake, and it's going straight to the oven, and it's be baking for about 30 minutes. Okay, so yeah, this is the finished products of our banana loaf cake. You can see it's neatly baked.